Okay, Taufika, what do you see in this picture?
A door.
A door. So say هذا باب.
هذا باب.
This is a door.
This is a door.
Everyone say 3 times. هذا باب. This is a door.
هذا باب.
هذا
This
باب.
is
This is the
هذا
door.
باب. This is
This is the door. هذا باب. This is the door.
Okay, very good. And what can you see in this picture? Anyone?
a
A
crown.
crown. A
A
crown.
crown. Yeah, a crown. Say هذا تاج. This is a crown. 3 times. هذا تاج. This is a
هذا
crown.
هذا تاج. This is a crown. هذا تاج. This is a crown. هذا تاج. This is a crown.
Very good. And what can you see in this picture?
Fruit.
Fruit. So say this is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This
Good.
is fruit.
Only 3 times. Children, remember, only 3 times. So one more round of practice. So هذا باب. This is book. This is a door. 3 times.
هذا باب. This is a door.
هذا باب.
هذا باب. This
هذا باب. This is a
هذا
door.
باب. This is a door. هذا
هذا تاج. This is a
تاج.
crown.
This is a crown. هذا تاج. This is a crown. هذا تاج. This is a crown. هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
Very good. One more time, 3 times each.
هذا باب. This is a door. هذا باب. This is a door. هذا باب. This is a door. هذا تاج. This is a crown. هذا تاج. This is a crown. هذا تاج. This is a crown.
هذا
هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit. هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
Well done. Now we will ask questions and answer questions. Okay. السؤال والإجابة. Questions and answers. So what's this, Taufika? Answer in English. What's this?
It's a door.
It's a door. So this is a door. You can say this is a door or it's a door. Fine. So ما هذا. What's this? ما هذا. What's this? Memorize everyone. ما هذا. What's this? ما
ما
هذا.
هذا. What's this? ما هذا. What's this? ما هذا. What's this?
Good.
ما هذا. What's this?
Now you will ask a question and answer the question. ما هذا. What's this? هذا باب. This is a door. Repeat.
ما هذا. What's this?
What's this? هذا باب. This is a door.
Together 3 times.
ما هذا. What's this? هذا باب.
هذا باب. This is a
ما
door.
هذا. What's this? هذا باب.
ما هذا. What's this? Is هذا باب. This is a door. ما هذا. What's this? Is هذا باب. This is a door.
Good. Now ما هذا. What's this?
ما هذا. What's this?
ما هذا. What's this?
This is a
هذا
crown.
تاج. This is a crown.
هذا تاج. This is a crown. ما هذا. What's this? هذا تاج. This is a crown.
تاج. This is a crown.
ما هذا. What's this? هذا تاج. This is a crown. Now ما هذا. What's this? ما هذا.
ما هذا. What's
ما
this?
هذا. What's
هذا
this?
ثمر. This is a fruit.
ثمر. This is a
هذا.
fruit.
What's this?
This is
هذا
fruit, not a
ثمر.
fruit. This is fruit.
This is fruit.
This is
This is
fruit.
fruit.
Mm.
ما هذا. What's this? هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
ثمر. This is fruit.
Very good. Now Taufika ask and Tahfiz answer.
ما هذا.
With English. With English. ما هذا. What's
What's
this?
this? ما هذا. What's this?
هذا باب. This is a door.
ما هذا. What's this?
هذا تاج. This is a crown.
ما هذا. What's this?
هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
Very good. Now Tahfiz ask and Nabil answer. Taufika.
ما هذا. What's this?
هذا باب. It's a door.
This is a door. This is a door, Nabil.
This is a door.
ما هذا. What's this?
هذا تاج. This
هذا
this is
تاج. تاج Nabil. Ta is long. هذا تاج.
هذا تاج. This is a crown.
ما هذا. What's this?
هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
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 Fruit. Fruit.
Fruit.
Okay, now Nabil ask and Tafika answer.
ما هذا what it is.
What's this? What's this?
ما هذا what this.
What's
هذا
this? No, wait. Let him ask you correctly. What's this?
ما هذا what's this.
Good.
هذا باب. This is a door.
ما هذا what's this.
هذا تاج. This is a crown.
ما هذا what's this.
هذا ثمر. This is fruit.
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 Not fruit, is fruit. Fruit is ut. Fruit. Okay, good.
Fruit.
Now only in Arabic. Okay, I will ask and you will answer. Tahfiz, ما هذا?
هذا باب.
أحسنت. توفيقة ما هذا؟
هذا تاج.
هذا تاج. أحسنتي. نبيل ما هذا؟
هذا ثمر.
أحسنت. Now توفيقة ما هذا؟
هذا باب.
أحسنتي. نبيل ما هذا؟
هذا تاج.
تاج is long. هذا تاج. الآن تحفظ ما هذا؟
هذا ثمر.
هذا ثمر. أحسنتم جميعا. And with this we will finish this lesson. Make sure you watch it and revise it and practice it properly until you master هذا ما هذا. ما هذا هذا باب. ما هذا هذا تاج. ما هذا هذا ثمر. Only 3 sentences. Practice it properly with questions and answers. Thank you for joining the lesson.